In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install your Epson AcuLaser C1900 series printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for Epson AcuLaser C1900 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should be an Epson domain here. This is Epson AcuLaser C1900 support. Go ahead and open that up. And then scrolling down, you want to select underneath product setup where it says Epson software updater. Go ahead and select that. And then select the download button that appears under it. Once the file is downloaded to your machine, open up the file. It should be a verified publisher from Epson. Select yes, and then proceed with the wizard here of getting your printer configured for your device. Please note that you might need to input your Wi-Fi credentials onto your printer before loading this utility, or if you've done it at this point, it's fine. You can just select the refresh page or refresh button once you've done that. So again, make sure your printer is connected to your Wi-Fi. There are settings on the printer itself you might have to modify, and it should be a very straightforward process on that too. Just go on the printer, go under settings, and then access the network options. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.